Today, guys, I'm showing you how to mint an ordinal Inscription. That's a Bitcoin NFT. But before I do, disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor, just for education purposes only. So let's get straight in. So guys, first, what is an ordinal? An ordinal is Bitcoin's NFT collection. We're calling them the NFTs, all right? It's incredible what these compare to with the normal NFT projects. So as you know, and as you should know, the smallest denomination of Bitcoin is a sat. There's 100 million sats per Bitcoin, okay? And now they have the opportunity to give users the ability to send and receive sats that carry optional extra data. This data can be JPEGs, it can be audio, it can be text, and it can be videos. At the end result, this is what they consider as a Bitcoin NFT. So this is what they look like, okay? You've got the ordinal punks. Let's have a look at this right now. Now, the difference between these NFTs and a normal NFT project, for example, on OpenSea through Ethereum, is that most NFTs through Ethereum are tracked through a contract that's operated and hosted somewhere else. Okay, with ordinals, they're not. They're completely on-chain. For example, some NFTs actually use what you would call like a hard drive, right? They're making use of the decentralized storage system. Whereas the ordinals are actually inscribed into the Satoshis, which means all of these NFTs, every single ordinal Bitcoin NFT is stored on chain. They are validated in blocks along with other transactions stored in the network's distributor ledger. Now, what I want to do for you is take you through the steps of how you would actually mint one of these. So first, you're going to need an Xverse wallet. Okay, an Xverse wallet is a fantastic Bitcoin wallet, probably the greatest in the Web3 space for Bitcoin. You simply just got to go to xverse.app and click download. All right, you can watch a demo on this as well. Once you've done that, go through these steps. It's going to look like this, okay? I've got this article up for you to show you, and it's going to take you through every single step that you need to do. So number one is download that wallet, okay? Number two, you need to opt to inscribe an image or text directly onto the Bitcoin blockchain, okay? It's like this. It's going to come up with upload your inscription. So you need to make sure this is perfect. Inscriptions can be viewed by anyone and they can never be changed or deleted. Simply drag your file or click it and browse your JPEGs, PNGs, and FSGs. Once you've done that, enter your inscription. All right, make sure this is perfect as well because it can be viewed by anyone. Step 3, you need to choose your transaction fee based on the network congestion. So keep in mind, all right, that the higher the fee is, the more likely your transaction will be created sooner. So set your transaction fee. They're going to be 3 different kinds: the normal fee, the higher fee, and the custom fee. This is obviously an estimate you can see, but for the normal fee, $19, higher fee moving all the way up to $58. Then you're going to need to enter your ordinal recipient address. To receive your Bitcoin NFT, you'll have to have a new and unused Taproot Bitcoin receiving address compatible with ordinals. So get an Xverse wallet, navigate to the NFT tab, press and receive button for the ordinal NFTs, and copy that Taproot recipient address, okay, and insert in the BTC wallet. You see it here, right? It's going to come up with your address and where your ordinal will be transferred to. This should be a new unused address, so just copy this here. If you insert the wrong one, I promise you, it's probably not going to happen and it will get lost, and we can't be held accountable for that. No one can be, only yourself, so be careful. And on the final step, you need to agree with the terms and conditions, all right? Simple terms and the conditions. Now, you will see your encryption on ordinals.com. It will be on here and you'll see the encryption on here, right? It's simply on chain. Thank you so much for paying attention through this video. Guys, I've loved every second of it. I hope you have. Let me know in the comments, and do hit that like button, hit subscribe, and hit the bell if you want to be notified, and I'll see you next time.